Welcome, students, learners, viewers, to a very quick video on another sample of luggage tag. Which hotel it belongs to cannot be seen from here, and the number is visible 494497. The details are name, room number of items, checkout time, date, and then similar entries in the counterfoil. What it includes is cashier's signature. So students of second year already know this, and others should also realize that until and unless the guest settles their entire dues in full, except those cases where payment is in deferred mode, in credit mode, like credit card, travel agent's voucher, bill to company, meals and accommodation order, passenger service order. These are some modes in which the payment is made by either a company or an agency, and then guests are permitted to leave without settling their bills because somebody else has taken responsibility for paying the bills. Except in these four or five cases, all other guests must settle their bills at departure, and there is a concept of luggage out pass. Luggage out pass is issued by the cashier, and only after the issue of this luggage out pass is the guest permitted to carry out their luggage outside the hotel. Let me also inform you about another concept called hotels lien. Lien is the hotel's right to retain guest bags, baggages, belongings in case they fail to settle their entire bill. So, this right of the hotel to detain the luggage of a guest when they fail to pay their entire bill is known as lien. It's a legal issue, legal concept, and that is why I believe there's a cashier's signature here, and without that signature, bellboy should not carry the luggage outside. So, I would show you another picture of the counterfoil. Of course, it is in a very bad shape, but then we can understand the concept. This is the counterfoil that has been detached. Name, room number of items, date, and as you notice, this does not have cashier's signature. So maybe this is for the arrival, and room number is written with a marker, permanent marker, so that nobody can erase it. And this notice here by the hotel, the article will be handed over only against presentation of this receipt. So this is what I wanted to show you, that this is the counterfoil which the customer, the guest must show to claim their luggage from the hotel. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much. I hope this video added something to your knowledge. Any questions, please ask through comments, and have a wonderful day.